What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam. I have a lot of plants and that's what we talk about here. And today we're gonna see if I have some new dead ones. Now, before I get too dramatic, I ordered these plants from Josh's Frogs, and when you order from Josh's Frogs, that means you basically do not have to worry about the inevitability of the USPS just fumbling the ball, dropping it down the stairs, throwing it into a volcano, or losing it altogether. This package has been in the mail for just about 7 days, and it was supposed to be in the mail for 2 days. Oddly, it just turned up after I called and, you know, I didn't yell. I didn't have to. This package finally showed up today, and it does not look good. It's definitely taken some beatings on the way here. The dirt is spilling out of everywhere, and I'm scared. So I guess let's see what's in here. If you order plants from the internet, this is probably going to happen to you at least once. So just prepare for it and make sure you order from someone like Josh's Frogs who has a great delivery guarantee, because there are a lot of plant companies out there that will ship you some bullshit and then they really don't care if you don't get your plants because they already got your money. And technically it's not their fault because the post office is supposed to not screw it up. I was discussing this with a few friends, and they all definitely suggested that anytime that your priority mail is late, to file a claim, because it shouldn't be late. That's the whole point of priority mail. And of course it's gonna happen, but you shouldn't have to pay for it. Okay, so, ooh, I can hear the dirt, oh God. We can get over dirt. Just want the plants to be alive. We have a nice graph. I have a graph of all the weather that my plant has been in a box through. Oh God. Okay, so. Oh, this doesn't look good, guys. Okay, so this was a Philodendron. This is a McColley's finale, but that is definitely pretty crushed and pretty sad. And it doesn't look like it's dry or anything, but it is so crushed and it got cold, you can tell. So again, Josh's Frogs will replace this stuff that didn't arrive in good shape, but you know, there's no guarantee that they'll have what I ordered in stock right away, and I hate to make Josh's Frogs pay for something that the USPS did, although I will say, and I love you, Josh's Frogs, that was not the best packing job. Like throwing these little plants in on top of a big plant did not turn out so good. This should be the Peperomia meridiana. Okay. This one might survive. It's just really sad looking, but I think it's okay. Okay. Yeah, you can see how cold they got, that some of the leaves are just petrified. Oh man, please don't be any more plants crushed at the top of this. I might actually even be missing one. Oh, nope, there it is. Y'all, this was not a very good packing job, guys. Even if this was in the mail that long, this should not be crushed at the top of the box, and I'm kind of bummed out about it. So friends, what you're looking at is a pretty sad Monstera siltepecana. So, yeah. Oh, I should have taken a picture of this if I'm gonna need to show them. Here, let's show you on the video what we're dealing with here. Yeah. Oh, I broke my Sansevieria too. Y'all, there's a whole ass bucket of dirt in the bottom of this box. Sorry. That doesn't bother me too much. I mean, could be better. I think this is the culprit of all the dirt right here because you probably can't tape the dirt down. Yeah, that's what happened. So this is a Sansevieria zeylanica. I've only ever had the Laurentii versions of Sansevieria, so I've been really wanting to get one of these or a black coral for a long time. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to finally have one. It's a little broken, but not, you know, that's fine. I'm not gonna make them ship me another one over that. It's kind of hard to tape the dirt down in this guy. I think they probably could have put a paper towel in there. Just a little suggestion, guys. So I gotta say, I talk up Josh's frogs a lot, and this is the worst packing job I've ever seen. And you know, I keep it 100 with you guys. I'm not sucking up to nobody. That was not a good packing job. Yikes. The good news is it's not usually like that, and these have been in the mail for a long time, so it's possible, I guess, that had it... I saw what they tried to do. They basically wanted to like nestle the other plants in here, and then that was at the top of the box. But what ended up happening is the box got turned upside down, and then all of the plants got crushed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to Josh's frogs. I'm going to show them. I'm most concerned with this. I mean, this might bounce back, but I feel like the amount of time it's going to take to bounce back is that was a harrowing 5 days, you guys. I just wanted to frivolously spend some of my YouTube paycheck on plants so that I could then unbox it for you, because I know y'all like that stuff as much as me. I guess I'll email them, I'll see what they say, and I should know in time to put it into the end of this video. So if I do, I'll insert it here. All right, guys. Well, this was a little sad. This was a little tragic. What do you think, Aiden? What do you think about this one?
Pretty sad.
It's pretty sad, huh?
Yeah.
And this one.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, sorry, this was kind of a sad unboxing, but it's good for you to know that this stuff can happen, and you should contact the people who sent you the plants if there was problems with the way they packed it, and you should definitely file a claim with USPS if they are the ones that delayed your package, right?
Yeah.
Stick it to the man.
USPS once bent a door.
What?
They bent a door somehow.
Oh, they bent a door. I thought that was all one word that you said. Bye.